Here is this app called VideoLeap AI video editor. So let's just install it and just do very quick preview. So this app is just built by Lightricks Ltd. Yeah, there are a bunch of other apps from these companies that are quite well known. And this app is not for AI headshots, not for AI avatars. This is just, for videos. So that's what makes it different. AI video generator, pre-made AI templates, time-lapse videos, Reels templates, with an intuitive editor, pre-made templates, and the latest AI tools. VideoLeap is your go-to video editor catering to every need for anyone. Video editing tools, creative platform, video special effects, creative cinematic composition. So yeah, then you can just allow it, accept, and continue. What brings you here, I add for personal use, for example. And then yeah, you can just create Apple account here. And then yeah, then they just show the free trial, how your free trial works. Today, access to advanced editing tools, audio and video effects, and more. You can start 7-day free trial, then $70 per year. And then yeah, here you just have all of this AI editing, AI templates, travel, some projects which you can have, like something like that. And then you can just add some text here, some animation, some tracking. So yeah, kind of like, there is Splice app or iMovie. So this is the similar app, but it's just utilizing AI. I don't know exactly like where that AI is, like how is it using it. So yeah, anyhow, and then you just have your account. If you wanna, you can just easily delete your account from here. But yeah, that's basically the idea. You can just edit your profile. So yeah, that's what it is. And there are all of these different templates, which I guess that's the point of AI here, which you can start using and give it a try.